Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how Koho helps you track your spending. Koho is a financial app and prepaid MasterCard that's designed to help you manage your money. The app is a powerful tool for tracking your spending in a few key ways. First, Koho gives you real-time insights. Every time you make a purchase with your Koho card, the transaction is instantly logged in the app. This means you always have an up-to-date view of your account balance and what you've spent. No more waiting for a bank statement at the end of the month. Second, Koho automatically categorizes your spending. The app sorts your transactions into categories like groceries, transportation, and eating out. This makes it easy to see where your money is going at a glance, helping you identify spending habits and areas where you might want to cut back. You can also customize these categories. Finally, Koho's budgeting tools help you stay on track. You can set specific spending targets for each category. For example, you can set a budget for entertainment and the app will show you a visual indicator of how close you are to reaching that limit. When the color turns from green to red, you know you've hit your budget target. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.